Is your Verizon cable box constantly turning off? You're not alone. This frustrating issue affects many users, but understanding the root causes can help you identify and fix the problem. There are 4 primary reasons why your cable box might be turning off automatically. Let's examine each one in detail. The number 1 cause is overheating. Cable boxes have built-in thermal protection that automatically shuts down the device when internal temperatures exceed safe thresholds, typically between 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The second major cause is power supply problems. Aging power adapters lose efficiency over time, and voltage fluctuations in your home's electrical system can cause intermittent shutdowns. Third, software-related problems can cause unexpected shutdowns. This includes corrupted firmware, incorrect automatic sleep mode settings, or memory leaks that lead to system instability. Finally, hardware degradation is common in older units. Components like capacitors can fail in devices that are typically over 5 years old, leading to power instability and unexpected shutdowns. The good news is that Verizon has implemented several solutions to help address these issues. They've enhanced their diagnostic tools, provide regular firmware updates, and offer troubleshooting wizards through the My Verizon app. Understanding these 4 main causes — overheating, power supply issues, software problems, and hardware degradation — is the first step toward resolving your cable box shutdown issues. In the next section, we'll cover specific troubleshooting steps you can take. Now that we understand why cable boxes turn off, let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. We'll start with simple solutions and progress to more advanced techniques. The first and most effective solution is a proper power cycle. This simple process resolves about 78% of cable box power issues. Follow these 5 steps carefully. Unplug the device completely, wait 30 seconds to allow capacitors to discharge, then reconnect and power on. This clears temporary software glitches and resets the internal systems. Next, check the ventilation around your cable box. Overheating causes 68% of power-off issues, especially during summer months. Your cable box needs proper airflow to stay cool. Ensure at least 6 inches of space around all sides, keep air vents clean, and never place it in a closed cabinet. If the device feels hot to the touch, overheating is likely the culprit. Third, inspect all cable connections. Loose or faulty cables can cause intermittent power issues and signal problems. Check that all connections are secure. Wiggle each cable gently to ensure it's firmly seated. Look for any visible damage like bent connectors or frayed wires that could cause power interruptions. If basic steps don't work, try advanced troubleshooting. A factory reset can resolve deeper software issues that cause power cycling problems. For a factory reset, unplug the device and hold the power button for 10 seconds while unplugged. This drains residual power and resets internal components. Note that this will erase your saved settings and preferences. Sometimes the problem is with the cables themselves. Faulty HDMI or coaxial cables can cause power management issues. Replace cables that show physical damage, have loose connectors, or are more than 5 years old. Even high-quality cables degrade over time and can cause power and signal issues. Test your electrical outlets to rule out power supply problems. Voltage fluctuations can cause cable boxes to shut down unexpectedly. Test different outlets to see if the problem persists. Use a multimeter to verify proper voltage levels between 110 and 120 volts. Consider using a surge protector to protect against power fluctuations. If problems persist, Verizon offers modern solutions. They're transitioning customers to streaming devices with better power management and providing proactive replacement programs. Contact Verizon support if your device is over 5 years old or if problems continue after troubleshooting. Devices older than 5 years have a 35% higher failure rate. Consider upgrading to newer streaming devices with improved power management and energy efficiency.